Alright, today we're working on some Safeways. It's a small little valve. Not a whole lot to it. Let's get this done. You gotta take this grease fitting off the top here. There's a tiny little grease fitting. You gotta take that out first. That's all it is, just a little grease fitting. Yeah, little tray here. I already got one on the end here tore apart. That's what the inside of them looks like. Just a little valve there. Nothing super fancy. And there's a big nut in here we gotta take off. Yeah. Jesus fuck freaking Christ. It's a big 1 5/8 socket. Now that's off. Take the top off of it. And that part's done. Flip it over. It's got these little, it's got 8 of these on it. And just short little, what's the word I'm looking for here? Yeah, it's got some of them on it. I can't think today. Now most of the time, before you try to take the bolts off, because they're really soft and they'll strip real easy. You don't want to overdo it too much or you'll destroy them, and I can't find nothing. I think someone might be here, but pop these out. Nope. Nope. I knew it was going to be one of them days. Memorial weekend. Nothing's going to work right for me. Nope. You want to be real careful, because these are super soft bolts and you'll just rip them apart. I don't know how that impact didn't get them loose. It's crazy. Milwaukee, baby. Milwaukee. rebuilding these valves for quite a few years now. We had here time. Well, we got plenty of time. Alright, that's all done. Smacker a couple times. That's it. Now, we gotta get the door out. This little part here. Slide you guys a little closer. You can see. Oh, can't see the ground. Alright, there we go. And we gotta get this out of here. Most of the time you can just smack it and it'll pop right out. And that's it. Oh, fuck, no it ain't. Put the head of a socket in there. And that's out. That's the door. That's what will keep it closed or open. Throw that in the scrap bin. Now these little pieces in here, they're called windows. And we got this special tool here that you use to take them out with. Don't ask me what the name of this tool is, because I have not a clue. But you get that bitch in there like so. Get it up in there. And pull it tight, tighten it down. And here I'll show you what it looks like on the inside here. Flip this bitch around. Nope, can't do it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it or not. That tool goes in there like that and hooks onto the window. Get it on there tight. I shouldn't really hit that fucking. Get this dead blow over here. I didn't even get it on there right, so that's my fault. I fucked it up. Tighten that bitch. Use your dead blow. You don't want to mushroom the end of this. This is your window. It sits in there flush, and that's what allows your door to actuate around and seal off. So it sits in the valve like this, and that's what the door pivots on that point there. Same thing on the other side. We got a short one that you use for it, but that short one's a turd and it doesn't work worth a fuck. So I used the long one for both sides. That's out. And there's the other door. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright, now I'm not going to show where I clean it up and everything, so give me a few minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, now I got it all cleaned out. I gotta get, ow, fuck. Got the middle wires all in me from that stupid wire wheel. Get a hard kit, which has got everything in it we need. So we got the door, new door. Give me a clean spot here. Don't want any of these parts getting dirty or it won't seal right when I put it back together. So there's that. Here is the gasket kit, and here is the doors. Now on the lid, on the bottom part, there's a white Teflon. See the white Teflon? And then just a regular rubber gasket. We got to take them out as well. Get my little pig. Oh, excuse me. He's fucking. Come on now, get in there. Alright, so there's the rubber one. This Teflon's like a hard plastic, but it kind of is rubbery as well. Then there's that. Clean that up. It's clean. Bring the lid up some. Sorry. It's technically the handle. It's what opens and closes the door. Is this part here. Oh, I got 7 minutes. Alright. So let's get this done. Teflons, seals, queefs. So we got boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. And these are kind of fucked up here. Turn towards me a little bit. Come on, motherfucker, turn. There we go. Alright, so now you'll be able to see a little better. Let's get that white Teflon on there. Bada boom, bada bang. Gotta make sure it's flat. All the way around. You've just wasted your entire time. You try to put that thing back together without it. Oh my god. Fucking paint peeling. You got these little things here, boom, boom, bada boom, pow, pow, skitty, boop, pop. Done. And these little fuckers here. Give me a dab of this. Get that sucker sticky. Slap it right down in there. And then we're just gonna fucking feed it to her body. You don't need a whole lot. This mechanic's grease really goes a pretty good ways. Remember what I said, you don't want these things dirty. All these parts that you're about to put in, you want to make sure they stay clean the entire time. If not, you'll be tearing it right back apart and redoing it all over again. Got this one. Goes right on top like so. Snap that down in. You got one that goes on the bottom. Snap that down in. Now this is the fucking hard part here. So this toolkit I got here, it's got this thing that lines up center. Gotta make sure that sucker's in there. Stupid. Dumb as shit. I forgot to put these in. These you gotta critique them in. They're a pain in the fucking ass to get started, but once you can get it to slip in there, you're golden. Oh, I hate these. Alright, there's one side down in. Let me get that pushed down in there, right? There's one side. Uh-oh, I got less than 2 minutes. I doubt I'm gonna be able to finish it. Okay. Now you put this down in there. Smack it. Same tool, except now we got a wing. Wing goes on. Get it started. Not an idiot like I am. Get it in there. Same tool, same exact thing. Shove it in there all the way. Get it tight. You're just gonna tighten that motherfucker down. And you're gonna beat on it. Make sure this fucking part in the middle doesn't come out. That should be it. So there's that side done. Now we got this other side. Get it started. Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? This thing just fell the fuck apart. That's fucking cool. Alright, so now I got the door in. Get the door in it. Still got it all put together. And then you just reverse your steps, put it back together. And then after you get it together, you're gonna grease it. I better put my hard hat on before my boss shows up and kicks my ass. Oh, better not do that. Well, y'all have a good one. I'll catch you on the next one.